Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB We're Saving 101, and I am KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I'm a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently resell on Poshmark, Mercari, Thredup. I have started listing on a vintage site called shopthrilling.com, and I sent boxes into Thredup. This is my journey. So if you are interested in reseller tips, tricks, and lots of haul videos, then do me a favor and consider subscribing to my channel down below. Today happens to be Thredup Tuesday, and I do have updates for you guys. So we're going to get into the nitty and the gritty of it, guys. Okay, so last week I told you I had a BCBG Max Azaria skirt, and yes, it was returned. So was my, now I'm blanking on who it was. I'm so sorry. Calvin Klein, really super cool jeans. Can't wait to get those back because I'm only going to get paid $11 for those. So yes, both of those were returned. So I got 0 payouts on that. I did receive a payout on my Ann Taylor cocktail dress. So that one did sell, and I received a $31.49 payment. Awesome. I did have some sales. I had a Chico's tank top, and it's really weird. It doesn't show me what it was sold for. It only shows what I'll be paid out, and it doesn't say it. It says delivered, and it has a question mark. So I don't know. It's one of those. My payout for my Chico's tank that was new at tags is a whole $3. So that's only a $2 profit for me. And yeah, that would be an item I would never send back in, but I'm really not sending anything in, am I? So there you go. There was another sale, and that was out of my new kit. I had a new kit that just processed. So today, I currently have hopefully only 84 more days before my official breakup with Thredup. One dress has already sold. It was a CBR cocktail dress, and my payment, again, it shows not what it sold for, just my payment of $13.92. Oh, no wonder it's not showing me. It's a screenshot. All right, maybe it'll show me if I hit that question mark. So yeah, scratch that. Anyway, yeah, I did screenshot so I didn't have to look all over the place for these items, guys. Sorry. So I'll get a payout of $13.92 if that does not get returned. All right, so I have a bunch of items that I'm collecting. In fact, I should have only that BCBG Max Azaria skirt, anything that gets returned, and my last kit, and that'll be it. They did accept 32 out of my 36, I think it was 36 items. Anyway, oh, and I want you to all be aware, this last time when checking in my box, this issue has come up in the past, and I'm like, dang, these payouts are really low. And I know they're decreasing their values because, like I said, the average price sale on your algorithms are all going to be lower now that we can't raise them to 50, above 50%. So those 80% payouts aren't being averaged in, and yeah. So I'm like, gosh, it just seems really, really low. Well, their system had a glitch, and my payouts were all wrong. And so I contacted them, and I have seen this on Instagram before. They tell you to go through and lower the price by $1. I'm like, I already had lowered them. I didn't even have them at full price, but you had to lower them by $1 in order for them to kick into the right percentage. So make sure that if you are having boxes checked in, that you are on top of that, because yeah, you know what? I didn't pay a lot of attention on all my boxes. Hate to say that. I just got kind of fed up. But that one I did notice a big one, so it probably didn't happen. The next thing that happened to me with this last kit was I received an email saying, even though I paid $10.99 for insurance, or that's what's on my account, they went through and said, So sorry, we went to ship your items and they were returned to us. Okay, first off, I do call BS, Thredup. That is a sack of lies. On my app, it never went through. I never received any kind of an email saying that it had been shipped. They just sent that out, hoping I did not respond, so that within 7 days, they could keep all my items they rejected. So that's what I call. Letting you all know that. So be on the lookout. This kit was not unexpedited processing, so I don't know if that's what went through. I did have that happen one time early on, but I figured I was new, and that's why. This time I'm like, I just received reclaimed items like last week. BS. There you go. Next, I'm going to tell you the bag I received also of my rejects is kind of funny. Of course, I did already open it, but I'm going to show you. So I am very frugal, and I like to keep things to reutilize. This comes in handy when I am shipping off a big bundle to on any platform. But Poshmark, you know, I had one that was over 5 pounds, and because I still had one of these Thredup bags, I utilized it, and I did not have to go through and end up having to upgrade my shipping label. So I do keep these for large bundle things. All right. Anyway, so I just cut the top. You can see my nice cut clean edge. Well, on this package, there's a $20 sticker right there, which, you know, okay, maybe it got shoved up against something that maybe had a $20 sticker. I don't know. Who ships anything that has a sticker on the outside? I don't think so. Not to mention, it looks like they actually had gone back in, because this is all ripped open from here on down and taped back. It was taped back up, and yeah, really odd. So there you go. It's like they were going to sell that as like a little bundle for 20 bucks and then reopen my package to make sure that all my items were in there. Although, how would they know? You never look at your inventory list anyway. So now let's go over what was rejected. All right. This was supposed to be a really expensive brand, but Nara Camise, made in Italy. There's a size 2. I don't know if it was returned because, I don't know. I thought that maybe was a size tag, that 2, and that it had special sizing. It could have been returned because that isn't the sizing tag. I'll have to do more Googling, but this is supposed to be an expensive brand. It's nothing spectacular. It's just this little white collared, button down, 3/4 sleeve, almost like a nautical looking kind of thing. Are you made of anything particular? 97% cotton and 3% elastane. So there you go. But yeah, rejected. So, and it doesn't say the size on this tag either, does it? Because that would be helpful. I have no idea what that 2 means. 1. It does have a 1 and it does have a 2, which is really weird, but it doesn't say anything size-wise. So I will have to, I don't know, Google this brand. Next. This is, it would have been great for Valentine's Day if they would have checked it in, although nobody would have received their package by that time. So I guess that's one of the reasons why they didn't get it in. But this is an Allen-B size 2. Are you made of anything particular? Let's see. Just polyester spandex. So, but it is this little cute cocktail dress. It would have been cute for Valentine's Day. It is a true red. It's really like a deep true red. So it's looking very light there. I apologize. And it has this ruffle detailing and some actual side ruching, little back slit. That has never been unsewn, so it's like new without tags almost. And back zipper entry. There you go. Next reject. This was the second time this pair went in. So they obviously just don't like this brand. I think they're super stinking adorable. This is Oh by Oscar, Oscar de la Renta, and it's a size 4. And are you made of anything particular? Cotton, polyester, spandex, but they are this. They feel like a silk, but that's sometimes that polyester blend can really fool you. And they have this like sateen finish to them, but they are just this little. Are they high waisted? I'll tell you. No, they're not high waist. They're low. Maybe I'll have to try them on. I don't know if I'll fit into a 4, but anyway, and they're just like this little black and white crop pant, skinny crop pant. And personally, I love low-rise guys. Yeah, I've got issues with my stomach, and I can't have anything touching my belly button. Too many surgeries. All right, next. Too much information. So sorry. All right. Let's see. This one is flipping adorable. I can't get over it. So this is DKNYC, and it is a size 6, and it is just this really super cute, you know, like almost like a mock wrap with pockets. Okay, pockets, and it is in this. It is black and has this pinstriping. So it's like a little zoot suit kind of a thing. To me, this is like, I don't know, very Y2K, maybe. Anyway, they rejected that. Next, the reject pile is this Calvin Klein size 8. And it is this little cap sleeved, and collarless is like, the blazers being collarless is very trendy right now. So it's like a collarless, mandarin split, cap sleeve, tie front, button down. I like this style of dress. Do we have a pocket? No pockets. But anyway, I don't know if it was the size or whatnot. It's in great shape. Like I said, it's an 8. Sorry, it's an 8. So it's really super cute. I don't know if it's made of anything spectacular. Maybe it was like the blend of material it was made out of. Oh, there we go. Well, now I found out why. All right. I didn't turn it inside out. You know, and this is not the first piece that I had an issue with on the inside, so I didn't turn it inside out. I didn't realize that the lining in here is ripped, but I don't think that literally is going to be that much of a problem when I list it myself. I will just note that. That's at the bottom, and it is the side, but yeah, I will note the damage there and move on with my life. And it is just a polyester rayon spandex, so nothing major. All right, is it my last? Okay, my last rejected piece is and this box had been there since October. So I was hoping it was going to get checked in around Christmas and, like, for instance, the red. Anyway, this is Adrian Papel. It is a cocktail evening. And what size are you? US 6? US 6. And it is this navy dress with all of these sparkles. And I did go over like every inch of this. It is really super cute. That's all right. I'll put modest mother of the bride gala. And it has this really super cute, do you see this back here? Sorry, I'll get a little closer. It's like, it is a, you could drop the, so like this is, I don't know, you could drop it and have a tail. It literally has, just like my daughter's wedding dress. It looks like, or is it sewn, really sewn like that? My daughter's wedding dress, what do you call it when they bustle it? So it has this little bustle thing back here. So I don't know if you could unbustle it, but I'm not going to try. But I think it's adorable because it gives it like a little mermaid kind of look. And yeah, maybe this year we'll be able to have New Year's Eve parties again. And if we do, I'm sure there'll be a blowout. So There you go. Actually, it's kind of like almost like a little bit of a dip in the back too. That's really cute. All right, so there you have it. There's my updates. 84 days, and the breakup's pretty much over. I still have some labels. I think I have two. I have three, but I think there's only two that I would be interested in using, which are non-expedited, no return assurance, and I almost feel like sending them a box of garbage. So if I do that at any time, I will let you know, but that's it. Hopefully I'll have actually I'll have a lot of reclaims next week, so I'm sure I'll see you. Until next time, guys, have a great one.